everyone, I am thrilled to take you on an educational tour through two of the most captivating provinces in the Visayas, Cebu and Bohol. These neighboring islands are absolute gems of the Philippines, offering visitors a diverse array of culture, historical and natural wonders to discover. Over the next minutes, we're going to give you an inside look at some of the top highlights in both of these remarkable destinations. Firstly, we stay at Alta Cebu Resort. The ambience at Alta Cebu Resort is truly unique, with the feel of a tropical rainforest, modern cozy facilities, genuine service with 50 rooms. It has the feel of a casual, intimate estate in a tropical paradise. Bounded by pristine beaches, Solea Mactan Cebu Resort offers an outflow from the typical atmosphere of the city by taking you away from the wearisome of urban living and exposing you to the panoramic view of the sea and the immersed garden resort with enjoyable foods. So, we have our lunch at Mika Cebu, or Magsaysay Center for Hospitality and Culinary Arts. Mika offers training designed to equip the students with a strong foundation and skills relevant to the hospitality and cruise industry. After Mika, next is Waterfront Cebu City Hotel and Casino. Gradly situated at the heart of the city's commercial and business district, the hotel is home to 561 guest rooms and suites, 9 wining and dining outlets, and it's popular known for its superior meeting and conference facilities. NewStar Resort and Casino is a premier 5-star integrated resort in Cebu, Philippines that is redefining luxury with world-class gaming, entertainment, events, and exclusive shopping and dining offerings. The second day of the educational tour is in Bohol. Now, we arrive at the port of Tubigon. Now, we're going to Chocolate Hills. The Chocolate Hills are a geological formation in the Bohol province. There are at least 1,260 hills, but there may be as many as 1,776 hills spread over an area more than 50 square kilometers. They are covered in green grass that turns into chocolate like brown during the dry season. Next is the Tertiary Sanctuary in Bohol. This tourist attraction also has a visitors complex with an exhibition area, a cafeteria, an audiovisual room, a research center full of tertiary-related information, a library, and conference rooms that you can check to learn more about these small creatures. The Villar Man-Made Forest. The forest is mainly made up of white and red mahogany trees. It is part of the reforestation project started over 50 years ago. Next is the Lubok River. Lubok River passes through the town center of the municipality of Lubok, offering a riverside view of the Lubok Church across the highway. Various activities on the river include the river cruise and stand-up paddle boarding, typically features a scenic trip. Next is Sikatuna's Mirror of the World. It features landscape garden dotted with replicas of the world-renowned statues, such as statues of Liberty in New York, Christ the Redeemer in Rio, the Merlion in Singapore, and more. The Immaculate Conception of the Virgin Mary Parish Church, or commonly known as Baclayon Church. Cebu Safari and Adventure Park is an adventure and safari park located in Carmen, Cebu, founded by Michael Luwelier and Edward Luke, and covers 170 hectares with more than 1,000 animals from 120 different species. It is considered as the biggest zoological park in the Philippines. The National Museum of the Philippines in Cebu is a branch of the National Museum system located in Cebu City, Philippines. It opened in 2020 and is housed in a historic Spanish colonial era building that previously served as a custom house. The museum's collection focuses on the history, culture, and natural heritage of the Visayas region of the Philippines. Magellan's Cross Pavilion is a stone kiosk. The structure is situated on Plaza Subug beside the Basilica del Santo Niño. Before we go home, we have our dinner at Tom Yum, located at SMC Site Cebu. Well, there you have it, a whirlwind tour through the captivating province of Cebu and Bohol, from the historic street of Cebu to the rolling hills of the Chocolate Hills. We barely scratch the surface of all there is to explore in this stunning part of the Philippines. I hope this video has given you a glimpse into the rich cultural heritage, breathtaking natural landscapes, and fascinating history that makes the Visayas such a beloved destination. Whether you're interested in architecture, wildlife, or just soaking up the laid-back islands vibe, there's something for every type of travelers here.